Welcome. I'm going to change my laptop's screen from this regular format to this special shape. Let's start and follow all the instructions to get a better results. First, go download this file. You will find a link below in description. Download Rainmeter. And install it. Then remove all those icons from your screen like that. Now download this file, which is called Mond. You will see some changes on your desktop. I will remove this music bar. I don't need it. After that, I'm going to change the background by using this picture on the folder. Don't forget also to remove this icon of recycle bin. Use right-click and choose View, then Show Icon Desktop. Open the taskbar settings and click on Use Small Tasks bar buttons. Use right-click again to remove the lock on taskbar. Now right-click on taskbar and choose Links. Press and hold and drag the mouse to the far left side of the taskbar. Do that again with other side. Right-click on Links, press on Show Text and Show Title. At last, lock the taskbar. Now change the color of your PC. Follow these steps. Open Personalized. Then change color to purple. Enable these two options. You will get a better results, as I said. Thanks for watching. I'm waiting for your support, and see you later. Ciao.